Hi students, before 4 problems completed, now 5th question. Rationalize the denominators of the following. First question, 1 by 3 plus root 2. Answer. So we know that one of the identity a plus root b into a minus root b equal to what we get answer a square minus b. So this is formula. Otherwise, now 1 by 3 plus root 2. Here plus root 2 is there into opposite symbol 3 minus root 2. A plus root b rationalize a minus root b. Like here 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Here into 2 fractions into 1 into the total 3 minus root 2 by here observe a plus b into a minus b form is there a square minus b square means 3 square minus root 2 whole square. Here next numerator 3 minus root 2 as it is right by 3 square what 9 minus here square root get cancelled 2 after 3 minus root 2 by 9 minus 2 7. So this is answer. Second question 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So this also one of the formula is there root a minus root b into root a plus root b. So a plus b into a minus b form like a square minus means root a whole square minus root b whole square root get cancelled finally a minus b. This is formula. See this one 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into rationalize the denominator means here minus is there no plus right root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6 equal to 1 into the total. So root 7 plus root 6 by a plus b into a minus b form finally we get a minus b means write one step root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square equal to root 7 plus root 6 by here square root get cancelled same like a minus b form like 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 we get 1 means root 7 plus root 6 by 1 finally root 7 plus root 6 answer. Next third question. So next third question 1 by root 7 rationalize the denominator means 1 by root 7 into root 7 is there root 7 by root 7 equal to 1 into root 7 by root 7 into root 7 7. So we know that one of the identity root a into root a we get a. So like this root 7 into root 7 we get 7. This is answer. Next fourth question root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. So rationalize into here minus is there opposite symbol take root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. So we know that two fractions numerator multiply denominator multiply means root 6 into the total bracket root 3 plus root 2. Next denominator observe a minus b into a plus b we get a square minus b square root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square a plus b into a minus b formula a square minus b square like root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 by here square root get cancelled here also square root get cancelled 3 minus 2. So root 6 into numerator root 3 plus root 2 3 minus 2 we get 1. So again here 6 3s 18 means root 18 plus 6 2s 12. root 12 means root 6 into 3, root 3, root 18, root 6 into root 2 we get 6 2 is 12, root 12. So again this simplify, here 18 we can write 9 2's, this is one of the square number, plus 12 we can write 4 3's, root keep as it is. So 9 send out means 3 square, after square root get cancelled means 3 root 2 plus here 4 we can write 2, root 4 we can write 2, 2 root 3. This is final answer. See this sixth question, simplify each of the following by rationalize the denominator. First question, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. So same identity, one of the formula a plus root b into a minus root b, we get a square minus b. This is identity. So 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. So into opposite symbol, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. Why? Because here a plus root b, rationalizing factor a minus root b. So here 6 plus 4 root 2, rationalizing factor 6 minus 4 root 2. Like here product, here observe binomial product, like 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. Numerator multiply by here a plus b into a minus b form is there, a square minus b square, 4 root 2 whole square. Here same 2 times is there, we get 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square we can write, 2 times is there, by 6 square 36 minus here 4 also square, 4 fours 16, square root to get cancelled, 16 2's 32. Next a minus b whole square form, here a minus b whole square form, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a means 6, b means 4 root 2, b means a square plus b square minus 2ab form, by here 36 minus 32 we get 4. Next 6 square 36 plus here 4 square 16, here root 2 whole square, square root to get cancelled, 16 2's 32 minus 2 into 6 into 4, 2 6 12, 12 4's 48 root 2, 48 root 2, 2 into 6 into 4 root 2, product 48 root 2 by 4. Here 36 plus 32 we get 68 minus 48 root 2 by 4. So in this 4 take common, 4 1's 4 7's, 17 4 68, like minus here also 48 is there, 4 taken common, 12 root 2 by 4. Here 4 4 get cancelled, finally 17 minus 12 root 2. This is answer.